loves, and welcome back to the channel, guys. So in this video we are going to be doing a what's in my diaper bag and hospital bag. And guys, we are already 39 weeks, so I'm pretty proud of myself because this is the second time we're doing this. The first time I had a baby, I was not prepared for this, so the fact that I'm actually able to do this and also film this at the same time, it means that we're making progress. So I'm going to start off with my diaper bag. This one is for baby girl, so I do have my diaper bag and my hand luggage that I'm going to be using as my own personal hospital bag, because why not? We are twinning because it's a pink affair. I got this bag from, let me show you guys. I did a huge Amazon haul where I showed you guys all the products that I got. This was part of it, and this one was from Amazon. It's the dupe for, I think, Hap brand. It is so amazing, it's so beautiful, and it has it's like top notch in terms of quality. This is what it looks like, where I love that it is pink and it is like powder blush pink, and it is pretty. I love the texture, I love the design. It is waterproof, and you can carry this in 3 different ways. You either carry this like this, you can carry it on your shoulder like this, or you can, which is what I'm going to be doing right now, carry this as a backpack, which I think is multifunctional. If you have kids, you know that your hands are pretty much going to be full at all times, so it's good to just have this out of the way behind you, so that way your hands are free and you can do other things. Let me just open this up. Let me take everything out. Okay, so the bag is pretty free and empty. This is what the bag looks like inside. So first things first, the first item that I'm going to be packing, obviously it's a diaper bag. It's a no-brainer. I'm going to be packing diapers. This is a no-brainer. Always carry this along with you. But this is the first and the most important item that I'm going to be carrying. Secondly, my wipes as well, and I love using water wipes. This is the brand that I've been using for my baby, so I trust it. I love it, doesn't react to it, it doesn't irritate his skin. Okay, so next up are the coming home outfits, guys. And this is where I'm kind of stuck because it is so hard to pick what to wear because they are all so cute. It's better to have more options than less options. But I'm going to start off with this one because this is such a cute set, right? This is going to be the inner wear. And they typically say dress your baby in 1 extra layer than you, so she's going to have about 2 to 3 layers just because it is cold here. And these are the pants, right, top, or the shirt. And then I have another option, still the same, new to the crew, but this one is a long sleeve. So depending on how the weather is and how cold, yeah, so that one is an option. And then over that, I'm going to be using this pink jacket, and she's going to be looking so cute. Yeah, and for her hat, I'm going to be taking this one along with me. This one has a cute bow. We packed 2 socks options. So this one is a white one, and this is like a white and a pink one. It's between these two, but I'm just going to put them on here. And then for her mittens, I just packed 1 white one. I carried a burp cloth just in case. So I also decided to carry a sleep suit just in case. And I'm kind of in between this one. It says the princess has arrived. This one be between these two over here, right? And for her blanket, we are taking these ones. These ones are so cute, but also like really soft and easy on the skin. Next up, I'm going to be taking along with me pacifiers. I don't think she's going to need these, but I'm just taking it along with me just in case. So this one is from Biebs. I don't know if you guys can see. This one is from Boss. My first baby used this and he loved this, so I'm going to be taking this along with me just in case. Before I forget, these ones are the clips to go with the pacifier as well, so that way it is secure and it doesn't fall down or get all over the place. And to go along with that, I'm also going to be taking my sterilizer as well. This is perfect for sterilizing pacifiers, nipples, for feeding and all that. So yeah, I'm going to be taking this along with me. And also guys, Vaseline is definitely a must when it comes to newborn. I'm going to be taking along with me this Hello World welcome card that basically just says her name, her weight, the date she was born, as well as her height. This for me is a definite must, and it's just good. Maybe when we're done we can hang this up in her nursery or frame it up or something. But yeah, we're going to be taking this along. When it comes to feeding, I do intend on breastfeeding. I do intend on exclusively breastfeeding for at least 6 months. However, my production kind of comes in late, a little bit late. At least that was what I experienced with my first child. It took me about 3 to 4 days before I started producing milk, and my baby needed to eat, and your baby needs to eat. I remember feeling like I was not enough. I remember crying at one time because for some funny reasons I was super emotional, and I felt like I cried. And you know me, you know that is an abomination. I was crying. I felt like I wasn't doing my best. I literally was trying to pump. I was pumping every second. I was putting him on the boobs. Like, it just wasn't ready to come out until the 3rd day. And I remember when it came out the 3rd day, I was like, whoa! It felt like I had won like the World Cup, and I felt fulfilled. Like, I literally felt fulfilled, and I started pumping. So yeah, but this time around, I am going to be prepared. I'm going along with this Enfamil. So this is what I'm going with. This one is already made as well. So I'm also taking along with me 1 bottle. I feel like 1 bottle is going to be enough. Now, what they will tell you is that your baby can actually survive for the first 24 hours without eating. To be honest with you, their tummy is so tiny, and most of the 24 hours they're going to be out, they're probably going to be sleeping like 3/4 of that time, so he or she would be perfect. But this is going to be a great option as a substitute in case the milk doesn't come out immediately. So I'm going to have this handy, and we're just also going to try as much as possible to breastfeed as well. So moving over to baby mama, I'm just going to fold this box down and get right into it. So I do have them in this cube, so that way I'm as organized as possible. So where do I even begin with this? Now, the hospital did provide me with a list of things to bring, and I'm using that as a foundation and then building on it. The first time I had my baby, I didn't stay in the hospital for more than 6 hours. I got in by 9 a.m. I gave birth at 11:29 a.m. and I was out of the hospital by 3 p.m. So I'm hoping it's the same thing. I don't want to stay there for more than 12 hours. I want to be in and out. But at the same time, I also want to be as prepared as I can be, just in case I have to stay over or stay for more than 12 hours or stay for 24 hours or stay for 48 hours. You can't really predict, but fingers crossed, prayers to God, I don't want to stay there for more than 6 to 10 or 6 to 12 hours. So in here I have my clothes, right? The first thing that I brought, or I'm bringing along with me, is a hospital robe. This is so crucial when it comes to giving birth, because you do want that freedom, you do want that comfort at the same time, and you do want that option to kind of like open up and maybe breastfeed if you want to. This one, I got this one from Amazon. Let me show you guys exactly what it looks like. This is what it looks like, and it just says mama on it because I'm gonna be. So this is a button down dress, and I feel like I probably would change into this once I get to the hospital. But this, again, like I said, I do want comfort, I do want ease, and I want the option to kind of connect with my baby, so I can easily button it down and do what I need to do. So everything that I'm carrying up until when I leave the hospital would have the option to either zip down or button down, so that way like my baby can have ease and access to connect with me and feed on me as well. So this again is the same thing, guys, but this one is It's like long sleeve. Yeah. So I'm carrying a couple of options with me just in case it is a bit cold and I want something long sleeve and comfortable to wear. Or if it's a bit warm, I have the option of like taking a short sleeve. See, I know they say don't pack a lot, but see, it's better to have all that you think you would need when you need them than not to have it, because you know it's gonna be in the box either way. So if I don't end up using it, I'm bringing it back. There's no harm, but I want the option to at least, you know, feel comfortable, because it's going to be one of the most uncomfortable, painful experience. So anything that can ease this process, even if it's as little as what you're wearing, makes a whole lot of difference. Okay, so I'm also taking along with me 2 pairs of socks. One has like a grip at the back, which I think I'm going to be using because it'll be easy to walk around. The other one is just very comfortable and soft and plush. Now for my undergarment, I did pack 2 nursing bras, one black and one brown, because you need to get black in everything if you can when you have given birth, because there's a lot that's going to be happening. This one just literally unclips, goes down, feeds when you're done, clip it back and you're good to go. Same thing with the black one. These ones I ordered off Amazon, so I'm gonna leave the link down below in case you're interested. And lastly, for our underwear, I'm taking these ones as well. I got these in black. These ones are the postpartum panties as well. I got these ones from Amazon. These are what they look like. They're pretty, like, how do I put it, waist high, high-waisted, and these are what they look like. I did order for 2 packs. There were 5 in 1 pack, and I ordered for 2 packs, making it 10, because I feel like I'm going to be going through this like quite frequent. So this again will give me a lot of support as well as comfort, and those are the 2 things you need after giving birth. So I did take 3 of them. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using all 3, depending on how long I stay. Hopefully not. Again, you always want to be over prepared because you get really messy. really messy. Lastly, for my going home outfit, I'm literally just wearing like a pair of oversized joggers, because these ones are my go-to. They are so comfortable and they are oversized. I want to be as comfortable as possible, and I feel like these ones are it. They are also warm at the same time. I'm going to be taking this along with me. This one would keep me warm. It's like a zip up top. Again, like I said, everything I'm taking with me up until after giving birth, and after giving birth I want it to have that zip up or button down option, so in case I need to feed or I need to carry my baby, I can easily zip everything down and put her in or breastfeed her and then zip it back up. It's also stylish because I do want to be looking good. And yeah, so that is it for that. Next up, I have my wash bag or my toiletry bag, guys. In here, I have everything ranging from shower cap to toothpaste to body oil, you know, my soap, my facial cleanser over here, and toothpaste, toothbrush, everything that I need in terms of hygiene. My deodorant as well is over here. I have perfume that I don't think I'm going to be using, but I carried it either ways. And in here I have some pads. I know that they say the hospital gives you pads, but I always want to carry mine just in case. If you guys know this, you know that this is the truth when it comes to relieving pain. Definitely highly recommend Dermaplast. I'm taking this along with me as well, and also some Tox pad, because we need that instant cooling, soothing relief. And also we have a peri bottle over here for cleaning that area because it's going to be really sensitive. So warm water in here and just spray it down and you are good to go. I haven't opened this one up. Lastly, I'm going to be taking along with me this maple butter. Right, let me just take this out of the pack. this Earth Mama nipple butter as well. That's all that is in here in my wash bag. So next up, I'm going to be taking along with me my postpartum belly wrap. You can use this a day after, or if you, I don't know if you can use this the same day, but most preferably a day after you have given birth, if you do like a vaginal birth. But I'm just going to take this just in case I feel like I want to wear it immediately, because that's the goal. The goal is to get back to pre-pregnancy. So yeah, all of that, my clothing, my wraps, my bra, my underwear, my coming home dress, everything is in here. So any clothing attire, any clothing outfits, whatever it is in here, so it's easy to kind of carry along with me. I'm using these cubes to pack. My wash bag is here. I'm going to be taking along with me my pair of comfortable slippers. And what's next, guys? Okay, so next up, just like we did the first time, I know, like, I'm thinking I want to record this process. I'm hoping that it is easier than the first one and I'm able to vlog through it. So I do have all my vlogging equipment pre-packed already, so like I'm ready to move. In here I have my batteries. I don't know if you guys can see, I have about 5. This is my Sony ZV-1, by the way. This is my vlogging camera, because they do die pretty fast. They last about 30 minutes, which is not enough, or less than 30 minutes sometimes. I have my tripod over here, you know, I have my memory card in it. I have my power bank here. My power bank is in here as well to charge my phone as well as my camera. So yeah, I have all my equipment in here for filming in here packed already, so that way I don't miss anything. So I also have my charger, obviously. Okay, so next up, I'm going to be taking along with me this TENS machine. This one was given to me by my midwives, so this is what it looks like. Obviously that's not what it looks like, but that's what it comes in. We've never tried this out, so I'm definitely open to giving it a try. Like I said, I'm open to other pain relief methods, so this one is probably definitely going to be one of them. So next up, we are taking our mobile phone, and on our mobile phone we have the contraction app, guys. This is so important when it comes to keeping track, to know when you are or have reached active labor, and that's when you know that it's time to rush to the hospital. So I have with me my contraction app. I already have downloaded this. This is what I used the first time. I'm going to be using it again, and yeah, that's another thing I'm going to be taking along with me, because they are going to ask you, like, these are like basic questions. How long has it been? How long does it last for? What are the intervals? So when it gets to 5-minute intervals and it lasts for about 1 minute and it's consistent for about an hour, then you know it's time to rush to the hospital. Lastly, I'm going to be taking along with me my documents and my wallet, which kind of contains like all of my cards, I guess. So yeah, that's basically all that I have packed in my baby's diaper bag and in my own hospital bag. And yeah, guys, this was quite fun to film, even though I have now made a mess on here and I need to now repack all this back into where they came out from. And I hope you guys found this helpful and fun at the same time. I don't know what could be fun about this, but hope you guys found this helpful. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, definitely feel free to give me a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If you're yet to check out my previous videos, be sure to do so. I'll leave a link on here, as well as leave the videos over here as well, so you guys can check them out. Feel free, it is fun, it is free. Subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, join the family, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, make sure you stay fabulous and you stay blessed. Bye, guys.